Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I want to show you how to unmute yourself. Okay, so there's many times where your sound is just muted. Okay, so there's multiple ways here. This button right here, this is a mute button, and it may look like your sound is on from a distance here, but when you click on it, the sound is actually muted, okay? Even though it's like this, but now the sound is on. But when you see this, you have to unclick this so you're not muted. And another way is sometimes you can be muted on the value mixer, which also, if you tap on this is also means you can mute it. Okay, make sure that's not showing there as well. But you can decrease and increase individual sounds from the bottom of the value mixer. So that's another cool thing about that. Just keep that in mind. And if you ever really want to get into the nitty gritty of things, you can go to that, go deeper into the settings here, okay, and then go to more settings. Okay, and then when you go to more settings, you'll be able to see what sound you're actually getting. So if there is something that's muted, you'll see on here if it's disabled or not plugged in, or if the sound is going, but you see the levels going up and down, like, so then you already know you can just get it back on here, and then re-enable it. So, but yeah, so that's how you know if you're muted or not. Half of the time you're muted on here, you don't even know. So definitely make sure you come on here. And another thing is you could be muted on here as well. So make sure you check in. Remember, if that's on there and that's muted, that means you're muted. Make sure you check that. I've had it happen where Windows updates just mute me for no reason. All right. Well, let's get it. Let's go. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.